Hello students, I am Ujala Devangan. Our today topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First, we know what is a complementary angle. If sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. For example, 30 plus 60, 90. Then complementary angle of 30 degree is 60 degree and complementary angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. Now consider a right triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree and angle A is theta. Then angle C equal to 180 minus this two angle minus 90 and minus theta, 90 minus theta. Now sine 90 minus theta. Angle side opposite to angle is called perpendicular. AB is perpendicular and opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Cos 90 minus theta. BC base and AC hypotenuse. Sin theta. Theta, their opposite is perpendicular. BC perpendicular and opposite of right angle AC is hypotenuse. Cos theta AB upon AC. Clearly sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Similarly, we can prove tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Now we can solve exercise 3. Question number 1. Express the following as trigonometric ratios of angles which lie between 0 and 45 degree. Solution first. Sine 56 degree. Using formula sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin change into cos and 56 turn into 90 minus 56. Cos 34 degree. 34 is between 0 to 45. Question 2. Find the value of the following. Cos 80 degree upon sin 10 degree. 80 degree and 10 degree are complementary to each other. We change first cos 80. Cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos change into sin and 80 is 90 minus 80 degree. Sin 90 minus 80 is 10 upon sin 10. Sin 10 cancel, 1 is the answer. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. We can solve fifth question. Bracket 5 sin 35 degree upon cos 55 degree, bracket close, plus bracket cos 55 degree upon 2 sin 35 degree, bracket close, minus 2 cos 60 degree. Solution 5. Sin 35 degree upon cos 55 degree plus cos 55 degree upon 2 sin 35 degree minus 2 cos 60 degree. 5 sin cos 90 minus 35 upon cos 55 degree plus sin 90 minus 55 upon 2 sin 35 degree minus 2 cos 60 degree. Using sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. 5 cos 90 minus 35 is 55 degree upon cos 55 degree plus sin 90 minus 55 is 35 degree, 2 sin 35 degree minus 2, value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Cancel sin 35 cancel, 1 by 2 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 by 2 is 4, 1 upon 2. Question 5. Prove that sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta upon 1 plus cot square 90 minus theta. Right hand side. Tan theta upon 1 plus cot square 90 minus theta. Tan theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, tan square theta. Since cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. आप लोगों को हेक्सागोन ट्रिक बताया हूँ, उससे आप इसे आसानी से पता लगा सकते हैं। नाउ टेन थीटा इज साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा एंड सेक स्क्वायर थीटा 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा। साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा मल्टीप्लाई, रिवर्स करके मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 1 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा। साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा एंड कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू साइन 90 माइनस थीटा। Rearrange sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta, left hand side. Proved. 11. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that tan B plus C upon 2 equal to cot A upon 2. Solution 11. Since A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, therefore angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus C equal to 180 degree minus A. Now left hand side, tan B plus C upon 2. Tan B plus C equal to 180 degree minus A upon 2. Tan 2 dividing the both the terms, 180 degree upon 2 is 90 degree and A upon 2. Tan 90 minus A by 2 is equal to cot A by 2 equal to right hand side. Proved. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Last question. If sec 34 degree equal to x, then find the value of cot square 56 plus cosec 56. Solution 12. Given sec 34 degree equal to x, cot square 56 plus cosec 56. We turn angle 56 into 34. 56 and 34 are complementary angle, so we use trigonometry ratio for complementary angle. Using formula, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta and cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. cot turn into 10. Cot turn into 10 square and 90 minus 56 plus cosec change into sec and 90 minus 56. 10 square 90 minus 56 is 34 degree plus sec 34 degree. Sec 34 degree. Now 10 change into sec. Since sec is, since 10 square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. So 10 square sec square 34 degree minus 1 plus sec 34 degree. Sec 34 equal to x. So x square minus 1 plus x. X square plus x minus 1. Thanks for watching.